Hey, welcome back to RV Chef Life. My name's Jonathan. Today you're gonna whip together a quick snack, pea pesto. I live full-time in my RV, and on the weekends, a lot of times I'll meet friends at the lake, river, sand dunes, or even the racetrack. And today's dip is gonna be pea pesto. Pea pesto is made with peas, olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and a little twist of lemon. It pairs with pasta, toast, roasted vegetables, or even used as a sandwich spread. Are you ready to brighten up your meals? Then sit back, hold tight, and let's get started. All right, let's go ahead and start making the pea pesto. The first thing you're gonna do is empty 2 frozen pea bags, 12 ounces in size, or 24 ounces total, into a strainer. Go ahead and add water, defrost those peas, and then strain them out and throw them in the blender. While we're waiting for the peas to defrost, we're gonna add the remainder of the ingredients in the blender, except for the extra virgin olive oil. The only time I will use extra virgin olive oil is in a cold dish, or a cold pasta dish. You never want to heat up extra virgin olive oil. The first thing we're going to add to the blender is 2 heaping tablespoons of garlic, a tablespoon of basil, half a tablespoon of pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. We can add more later if needed. The peas are defrosted, so I'm gonna go ahead and drain them. Once they're done draining, you can plop them into the blender without making a mess. If you've watched any of my videos, you know that I'm really good at that. Add 7 ounces of Parmesan cheese. I buy the pre-shredded. Buy the block, it's cheaper in the long run. Now go ahead and put your lid on, make sure it latches safely. Hopefully in your blender you have a top that you can remove so you can drizzle in olive oil, or extra virgin olive oil, excuse me. All right, let's explain everything I just did. So I added everything to the blender. Once I had the blender set, I added about 3 to 6 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil in the bottom. Let it fall to the bottom, go ahead and start your blender and start blending it up. That EVOO adds extra lubricant, starts mixing things up, keeps your blade cooler, and mixes everything and blends everything quickly. Then after that, you continue to blend, add your lemon juice, 1 to 2 tablespoons for just a little zest. Forgot to mention that earlier, I'm sorry. The way that I normally eat this is I normally buy the baked pretzel chips, and I just dip it right in. Let's try it. So good, so easy, and so simple. Try this recipe today. I'm telling you what, it'll blow your socks off. Thanks for stopping by and enjoying another afternoon with me. I appreciate you stopping by. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I appreciate that because I couldn't do it without y'all. So thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.